Hello again, friends. Today we have to take care of this power supply that belongs to my new old Ketron Midj Pro. This one supplies the machine with 9 volts at 4.45 amps. The point is that the cable is looking really bad here, and I'm afraid that will make a problem soon. I don't know who fix it, but it's a lot of super glue there. It's, amateur. So guys, let's see if I can open this. Probably I have to take out. Alright, screw missing, another screw missing, and of course it was worked before. Probably put it back together with super glue. Yeah. Okay, it's broke there. Yeah, finally. Don't touch anything because it's very possible to have one of those capacitors still charged. And now the main capacitor, let's call it. Here we have the plus and minus connection. And this mess, it's awful. Let's take out the old cable. Do we have any marks here? But anyway, this is plus. Awful job, really. Alright, now I got it. These things are smashed, but we can use some washers to keep using the screws. You see, these holes here are way bigger than it should be. We can fix that. And we have a piece of cable. Doesn't help me with anything. Let me see what we can do there. Oh yeah, washers. But first, let's do the cable stuff. I'm gonna use this factory, call it, piece of cable, and that's it, because I can't find a piece of good one for my purpose. But anyway, this is good. Let's clean this. Now let me find a stopper, or how to call that. That's too big. Maybe something like this. Pretty okay. Let me see if the cable is going in there. Oh yeah, no problems. Okay, so let me cut this in a proper way. Perfect. And we have a very clear plus indication here. Good. And minus right here. Okay. Now I got to find a way to block that piece of cable in place. And I'll improvise a kind of blocker stopper, which evidently doesn't hurt the cable. Like that. That should be more than enough. Look there. Perfect. Now, let's put everything back in the case. We have an LED. Okay, so this one goes up. Ah, voila. Looking much better, isn't that? But before anything, let me check for the right functionality. Do we have an LED? Of course we have. What about voltages? And by the pamphlet we should have plus in the middle, and we have that. Fine. Let me see what kind of washers and what kind of screws do we need there. That's one. That's two. Perfect. Well, you see, I can't use the cover anymore because it doesn't fit there. But that should be okay for now. That's it. Now it's perfect. And not only perfect, but we can change the cable as we will. Doesn't need any super glue and stuffs like this. And let's test it. But once again, be absolutely sure that it's the right polarity. We can see here very clear plus in the middle and minus outside. Okay, let's go. Perfect! Job done, people. Cleaning a bit, and that's all for today. I need some alcohol. Yeah, I'll clean it later. I need some good alcohol to dissolve or to solve that tape glue. Okay, that's it for today. You see, this is a fix. Sometimes you have to be creative to find solution, solvings, and even improvisation. And you see, like I said so many times, improvisation, it's the difference between being hired or being fired. Like always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Push the like button, doesn't cost anything, but it helps me a lot. I'm waiting your comments also. And thanks to my sponsors, Radu G, Vlad from Amphia Records and Czech. And like, you see, like always, don't forget to have fun. See you soon. Bye bye.